Hey everybody, Paul Strolia here at 7 a.m. in the office. I'm so pumped to share this with you because this is going to change your life. This slideshow, this is the training for it so that you can go fast. Now, number one, when you sit down with somebody and show it on your phone or on a tablet or laptop or whatever, the first thing you're going to do is tell them why they're there. One, I care about you, or I want you to know about this, or you're a fun person, I want to do this with you, or you're really smart with business, I want smart business people with me, or you're my friend, whatever. So it's got to be a pure reason. One, I care about you, basically is what you're saying. But two, because if I don't show you this and you find out I'm doing this later, you're going to be mad at me. You're going to say, why didn't you take the time to show me? So guys, use those two powerful statements before you show this to anybody. Now, here's the first slide. Keep it simple. If your mouth is moving, you're just reading or you're pointing. That's it. Project 8,000. It's about two people, $21,252 in 90 days. That's all you got to do. Don't explain Vima, nothing. Let's move on. Project 8,000. Now tell them, this is what I am doing. I'm finding two people. I invite two good people who invite two good people, and so on and so on. And my goal, my friend or person you're sharing this with, is each person's goal, which is to begin earning $21,252 per month after approximately 90 days. And this is 90 days, 12 weeks. This is the math, and this is the amount of money. Now, wealthy people have multiple sources of income. So we're doing this while we do whatever else we do in our life. If you have a part-time job, keep doing that. You have a full-time job, keep doing that. Going to school, keep doing that. But this is what we're doing at the same time. Move on to the next slide. Okay. Is it legal? Because when people see those numbers, they're like, there's got to be some kind of scam. Well, 10,000 people don't show up at the Mirage in Las Vegas, last month, and it's a scam. Or it's in over 50 countries. So give me a break. They're fooling 50 countries. So your friend or the person you're sitting with has to see that this is legitimate. And we're just leveraging the business model to make money as fast as possible for everyone on our team that gets involved. Next, 9 years in growing. This is huge. I mean, is a company really fooling 50 countries for 9 years and growing by 89%? It doesn't happen, guys. So this is your credibility. So if they have any questions like, how could this be? Well, it is, okay? We're just doing it. Here we go. What's your philosophy? I believe that if I walk into a room and say, who wants more money? Everybody raises their hand. So I believe that most people want more money. Maybe you want more money or you know somebody. So that's why you're sharing it with them. This is a business opportunity. Are you qualified? Do you know two people want more money? I mean, these are supposed to be yes questions, answers. Do you know anyone who wants better health? Everybody. Have you ever invited someone to anything? This is showing them they can do it. Did you ever buy something to drink? Milk at the store, whatever? Yes, of course you did. So you can do this. Next, back to this. See, we're going to show this a couple times so they have it in their head. Read this. That's all you got to do. In order to get to $21,252 or more per month, this is how it works. We order something to drink. We show this table. We find two people who do the same thing, which they'll order something to drink and show this table. That's our business model. Keep it simple. Next slide. Since we have to drink something or we die, we just drink something really healthy. So, okay, that's clinically studied, and it shows like Dr. Oz and all these people. It's a little confusing to people, but all you're saying is, I drink this, or I drink this, or my mom drinks this, or whatever. Just show them, or I ordered this, and get on with it. This is not about product. This is not a time to do a presentation on product, okay? Next slide. Now this is huge. We get a free website instantly when we get started. So somebody gets started, you start them on the app on your phone, they have a website instantly. So why do we need a website? Well, this allows us to stay connected to the two people whom we added and the people whom they added. So you can say, if you get involved with this, you're going to be one of my two people. You're going to add people, we're going to add people, we're going to add people, and we need to be able to stay connected. Now, There's no website fees, no sign-up fees, no membership fees ever. So this is huge for people to understand. All we do is we order something to drink and we find 2 people. Let's go on. Back to this. We're drilling this in people's head. So, once again, to get to this amount per month, we keep it simple. That's what this slideshow is. We order some drinks. We show this table. We find 2 people who will order some drinks. Show this table. Find 2 people who will order some drinks. Show this table. Find 2 people, on and on and on until we get to this. Can you do this? Guys, everybody can do this. And I want them to realize that you'd have to be an idiot not to do it, because here's why. You're only investing a little bit of money, okay? 100, let's say it's 150 bucks, okay? The first month you made 66. You actually made more with these 2 people. You made over $100. So you spent 50 bucks, okay? Not on air, on something you're going to drink, okay? So that's huge. The second month, because remember, you're going to order this the next month and the next month. That's where the money comes from. Well, if you spent 150 bucks, but you made 1,320, do you really care? No. You're drinking something, okay? So there's no risk. All you did was order a drink. I mean, think about it. You go to the store. Imagine telling your friends, guys, I took this huge risk today. I went to the store and I ordered some drinks. I mean, everyone would be like, what are you talking about? What's the risk? That's what this is here. So you got to do it. All right, let's move on. Next slide. So getting started. All that is left to do is get started. And then get your 2 people, your best people, to see this slideshow as soon as possible. Guys, that's how we do this. You've just learned everything. This is how we do it. So let's say I get started and I have a website, paulstrolia.vima.com. I got it instantly when I ordered my drink. Then I go to my website and I share this with my friend. An hour later, we go to my website, and after he sees this, he's like, yeah, I'm doing this for sure. He orders something through my website. It creates a website for him. You guys get that, all right? So this is what 2 people can do, change your life forever. Now we're going to get into, the slideshow is all over, but now you're going to do a little bit of training for you if you just got started. So if you log into your website, that's Paul Strolia is my, let's say my login, my password is, let's say, Zebra5, okay? So I log in. I'm going to look for this thing, which is enroll, because I'm getting my friends started, okay? Tell them what you got started with. Well, I ordered the coffee because I love it. I drink coffee anyway. Or, you know, I ordered this because I need vitamins and minerals and whatever. It doesn't matter what you order, but just tell them what you did and show them what's available. Some people might want tea. They might want energy drinks. They might want the shakes. It doesn't matter. Okay, this is not about that. This is about business and making money through duplication. So now it's crucial that they order something at least 120 QV. So around 150 bucks, maybe less some places, maybe a little bit more, depending on what they order. Because that whole chart is based on that. So we're going to check out after we put in our cart and create their account. So now they can have a website. And then immediately they get started. I say, all right, who are your best people? Let's invite them. So they should make a list and invite them properly. Do not explain it over the phone. That's what the whole point of this is. It's got to be sitting, showing this, because if someone says, you know, well, do I really need to come to? Yeah, it's like a haircut. Can I give you a haircut over the phone? No. You have to go there for that. Same thing here. You can't show them the chart over the phone. So whether you Skype with them or, you know, you got to get them to see this slideshow. And then they start their 2 people and stay involved 4 levels down. I'm going to explain what that means in a second, but let's go on to the next one. All right. Some people might want to know, where does the money come from? So, well, Vima, they make drinks. We don't sell them. We just drink it. So Vima makes drinks. That's here. And they pay us. So notice here you are, this blue circle, and you found your 2. They found their 2. This guy found his 2. And next level, next level. Guys, that's 4 levels down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 30 people. 30 people in your group that all understand this slideshow, all understand duplication, and they know that Vima is going to pay us instead of paying for advertising. They pay us. So, and it's not in stores. They don't pay Walmart. They pay us. So they can read through this if they want. It's pretty clear. And let's move on to the next one. All right, one final note. What is a good person? See, this whole slideshow, this whole table is built on good people. Not a good person to society or the community or your church or your family. No, a good person is somebody who will get you two people to see this as fast as possible, and they'll keep getting people until they find their two people that get this. Once again, I can't stress this enough. You'd be stupid not to do it, because all you're doing is ordering drinks, which you do anyway, and sharing this with other people. So each person's goal is to earn that amount of money, and it's going to get bigger because exponential growth, but that's it. So stay involved 4 levels down, because then you're going to see that it's growing. Let's say I add my 2 people, great, but the next level, it's not happening. They're not adding. So I got to realize, okay, this guy's adding, so let's say his levels are going, but this guy isn't. So love this guy, but say, you know what? I need to add somebody else, and just add another person. My recommendation, add 5 people. Why? Because you're going to find your 2 that'll go faster. By the way, this was set up week to week to week, 90 days, 12 weeks. You can do this in days. Just, be focused and change your life in 90 days. Not forever, but just say, I'm doing this for 90 days. You're going to stay involved, but stay really actively involved until it's rolling. Guys, it's like a snowball getting down the hill. You have to roll it, get it going to the edge of the hill. Once it gets there, it's going to keep going. So what does that mean? When you get 4 levels down, all your people understand this slideshow and they're sharing it, the snowball is rolling. It's not going to stop. So just drink the drinks and invite your people and be successful, and that's it. So thank you for watching this, and that's the end. Okay, bye.